how to get money from sales with Clickbank and you don't know how to build a funnel and collect emails. Right, I'm just going to dive into it and I'm going to show you that you don't need any technical knowledge because all of these are built for you. So I've chosen something out of my comfort zone and I'm going to do a weight loss product. So what I've done is I've gone into Builder and I've gone into the physical product funnels. Then I found this weight loss funnel. I've downloaded it to Cheetah, which is already there. Then what you need to do, there is a confirm page, confirm your email page, and then there's the thank you page, which is either the sales page or one that you can edit. So as you can see, I've actually tried to do that, but I've actually, if you want to change the picture, you can, I've just removed the background, for example, for that one. So it's remove.bg and I'm going to select the file and remove BG. There you go. So I now want that one because this one is on the sales page. That's why I've chosen this one. So now that one matches. Now we don't really want these because we're not doing detox, so we can delete those. And don't worry if you delete too much because you can actually get it back now. You can actually press the undelete button. So what I've done is I've gone to Clickbank and I've opened the system, copied and pasted a title in. And that's it really. So then you press save. You have to collect emails, you need to put the emails on something called a list. So you press this one. And look what it's done. It's actually got you a list already made. So you can change the name of it if you want, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So your list is going to be collected on that one there. To get this to go to the right pages, you have to set the link. So if you look at this one, if you want it to go to the pending page, that's good. But this one, you click web and put your hop link to the product and save it. How you get the link to that is promote and generate the hop link, copy the link and paste. Okay, so that is done. How quick was that? Also, I wanted to show you the affiliate page. Now, you can get email swipes. So you just hop over to Mailing Boss and you know what I mean? They are already done. They've got all the colours, the body, everything there that you want. Okay. So you can have also the sales video, which I'll put at the top of my blog, for example. You can promote this with, I wouldn't actually put the link on anything on Facebook. I'd say revolutionary new weight loss method, finally lose weight, who wants info? So, because you're not allowed to put links on Facebook, but you can on Twitter, for example. There are banners as well that you can put on your blog. So there are all the sale, or you don't need any technical knowledge All you need to do is copy and paste the codes onto your websites. They've got lead magnets already there. Pre-selling stuff. You can, solo ads, pay-per-click, quick start, you name it, it's going to teach you how to do it. You can even get a coupon code so that you can get 10% off, 20% off, 50% off. So you guarantee the sale, guys. Don't you think this is exciting? If you like this video, click the like button, click the share button, and click the notifications button, because I love to do videos and help you on your way to get sales every day with Builderall. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.